Okay, so in searching for some options to put down at the land for security, we put that big gate up. And if the gate's locked, you want to be able to talk to the delivery man and such. So I saw this wireless doorbell and I got it, right? So I'm going to do a review. Now I have to tell you up front, I did get this at a reduced cost to do a review, but this is something I was looking forward to buy. So this comes with two types of, you could buy it two different ways. Wireless transmitter and a plug-in chime, or you could get a battery powered chime. And I wanted the battery powered chime, but you know, this is what they wanted me to review. So it's pretty neat. You know, it comes with screws to mount this permanently or 3M tape to mount it. Comes with a little screwdriver. Comes with some instructions. Okay, and it's got 4 levels of volume and 52 different ringtones, so you can actually run more than one different doorknob. Okay, to open it up, screwdriver hole in top, it says press in, and then, oh, yep, so it snaps, okay, and then, oh, yep, there it goes to the battery. You can see the battery in there, okay, and that lit up. So let's shut this thing back. Okay. There we go. I can see a light in there. I don't know if you can. All right. Okay. It took me a second. So what you do is you plug the thing up, you press on the up and down music buttons to find the alarm you want, then you just press the volume button for 5 seconds, and then when you press the button, now I said that because tomorrow the boy in school, they're doing helpers, community helpers, and he's going to dress in his policeman uniform to go to work. And his mom told me to go to the store and buy him some handcuffs because he keeps breaking his handcuffs. Well, I also bought him a badge. When he comes in, we're going to see what he thinks about that, okay? So anyway, back to the chimes. That's pretty cool. This goes, they say, 900 feet. Generally between 200 to 700 feet through metal security doors and walls, but can work up to 900 feet in open and non-interference environment. So my door to my box is about 340 feet. So the box is definitely some interference. So I can mount this on my gate, plug that up inside, you know, put a siren ring bell, and you know, we can and otherwise I'm going to pop this open and I'm going to use the screws. This is a drain hole that's drained down, so in case water gets in there it will come back out, but you know, it's supposed to be good for outdoors, and I guess we'll see. But that's all there is to it. Thank you.